Yeah, what's up everybody? Alright, I'm making this video right now because I was getting clunky noise because after I installed the 1320 springs, I was getting clunky noise only in the front and I couldn't figure it out, and I think I finally figured out what it was because I've been driving it like this for over a month and the noise is gone. First of all, when I did it, I lifted one side at a time when I did the springs, and I think that was my issue. So I'm doing this video to show everybody that when you do this, the springs, lift the car evenly, both tires up. And yeah, what I found out is like I tightened everything again like 2-3 times, but what I noticed was that you gotta get a 10 socket, 10mm socket, and this is like reverse thread. Just make sure you tighten it really quick. I noticed mine, when I lifted it from one end, it would be really tight. The end leak over here, can you guys see? Yeah. Right here, it was loose, but when I would only lift it on one side, it was tight. So this end leak's connected to the other side of the car. Can you guys see right here? And now that when I lifted it on both sides, I noticed that it was really loose. I already tightened it already, but I'm just doing this video for you guys. It just demonstrated how I did it. And yeah, it worked. So just let everybody know that if you're gonna do this, don't lift it on one side. One at a time, lift it evenly, both sides at a time, because it's giving you like false information. Because I was triple checking I took off the wheels like 3 times. If you're gonna do this job, lift it evenly, jacks, both tires up, and then triple check all your bolts. Don't do how I did it. I was taking one wheel at a time and I was triple checking all the bolts and nothing was wrong with me, but I still kept getting like a clunk on deep potholes. I was getting a clunk, and it was bothering the heck out of me. But now that I figured out, I daily drive my car like 80 miles round trip every day to work. I've been driving it like this for over a month. It's quiet, super quiet. So I noticed that it's just this end links right here were loose. It's really tight right now. I just showing you guys how I did it, and yeah, car's working perfect. Now that the car is quiet and how I like it, I'm doing this video for you guys to just show you guys where my issue was, and it was stupid, really, to be honest, but I guess that's how we learn. So catch you guys later. Peace.